Hello, ice cream friends. It's Chris with Slices Concession, and we're going to talk a little bit about bad blades. So I'm testing out this Taylor 702. It's a large barrel, single barrel soft serve machine, and after running it for about 15 minutes, the consistency of the ice cream was just not what it should be. So you can see there, it's just, barely above a shake consistency. And this is a machine that is capable of doing soft serve. That's what it can do, either shake or soft serve, depending on how you set the viscosity. So I looked at it, and there's things as a technician that I know, you're not going to necessarily have the ability to do this, but I can check the refrigerant pressure on the machine as it's running, and I can see, hey, that all looks good. What's going on? And assuming everything's fine, like you've never had an issue before, and all of a sudden you see that you're not getting good consistency, and a day or two ago it was fine. First thing you want to look at are your blades. So what you'll notice here is here in this barrel, there's still a whole lot of product that is against the cylinder walls here, and it's frozen pretty solid. So one thing you never want to do is put anything metal in here. Now this is a metal holder on a plastic blade, but I'm just going to take this blade here, and you can see I'm having to actually scrape this off. So it's frozen solid. It's way past soft serve consistency. And so yeah, it's almost rock hard, almost like concrete. So that's how you'll know, because essentially, as I kick the tripod here, essentially what happens is this acts as like an insulating layer. So all this freezes here on the outside, but your blade's dull and it's not scraping. And so it basically creates insulation in all of the product that's beyond that, like not right up against that freezing cylinder. It's just not going to freeze because that's actually created insulation there. And believe it or not, like if you go into like an ice cave, or build a snow fort, inside it's actually very good insulation, even though it's ice. So that's actually what's happening, is it creates a layer of insulation around that product inside, and what's dispensing is going to be not the consistency that you're looking for. So that's one of the easiest things that you can check out first before calling us, or calling in a refrigeration company, or depending on the manufacturer, Taylor, Stolting, whoever it is, before calling them to come in and check it out. This is a very easy thing to do. You can contact your distributor, the machine manufacturer, and you can get blades directly from them. And you also can get certain blades through our partner, FrozenYogurtParts.com. So that's another thing to check out. And if you use FrozenYogurtParts.com, if you enter code SLICES5, F-I-V-E, so SLICES5, you'll get 5% off and ordering your blades through FrozenYogurtParts.com. So there's a little FYI on what can happen if the blades are in need of replacement. If you have any other questions about ice cream machines, shake machines, frozen beverage machines, you name it, if in the frozen dessert business, we can help you out and get you set up with the right machine and the right product to put in it to have success in your business. Thanks for watching and have a great day.